Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. In this video I'd like to show you how you can use Zoom waiting room. What is Zoom waiting room? Zoom waiting room is a security feature on Zoom that aims to prevent an unauthorized person from gaining access into your meeting area. So as a host, you can either enable or disable waiting room feature in your Zoom meeting, and you can do this in three ways. 1. You can disable or enable waiting room feature when scheduling a meeting. And number 2, you can enable or disable this feature in your Zoom account setting. And thirdly, you can also do this once you are in the meeting area. Now, let's get started. One of the ways you can disable or enable waiting room feature is when you are scheduling a meeting. So what you need to do is to log into your Zoom account. Go to zoom.us and log into your account. Once you are in your account, just go to my account. So what I'm going to do now is to click on my account, and then I will go to schedule a meeting. So while scheduling a meeting, you can enable waiting room feature. So I'm going to click on this now, and then here I'm going to schedule a meeting. So I'm going to choose the topic of this meeting. Let me just use meeting as the topic. And I'm going to select the date. So the date is going to be 6th of August, and then the time is 11 a.m. and the duration of this meeting is 30 minutes. So I'm going to click on 30, and here the time zone is London, and also the meeting ID will be generated automatically, and here I have the passcode. So if you want to enable the waiting room feature, you need to click on waiting room here. Just make sure you check this feature. Click on waiting room, and then you set all other parameters like mute participant upon entry, and I don't want the participant to join at any time, and I'm not even recording. So after selecting this waiting room feature, all you need to do is to click on save. Just click on save. So this is how you can enable waiting room feature while scheduling a meeting. Another way you can do this is to go to settings. You click on settings, and then from settings you go to security here. This security, and then you see waiting room feature here. So I'm going to read from here. It says, when participants join a meeting, place them in the waiting room and require the host to admit them individually. Enabling the waiting room automatically disables the setting for allowing participants to join before the host, which means participants cannot join before the host once this feature is enabled. So the only way you can enable this feature is to click on this. Just click on this button, and as you can see, waiting room is enabled on this account. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to show you how you can enable this feature when you are having this meeting. As you can see, this is my meeting area. So from my meeting area here, I can come to security and enable waiting room feature. So you can disable or enable this feature from here. All I need to do is to check enable waiting room. Once I check enable waiting room, participants will not be able to join this meeting unless I admit them. So what I'm going to do now is to go to participant here. As you can see, I have 2 participants that are waiting to join this meeting. I have John, I have Peter, and they are waiting to join this meeting. So I can choose to admit John, or I can also choose to remove John. I can choose to admit Peter or even remove Peter from this meeting, and I can choose to admit all. So what I'm going to do now is to click on admit all because I want 2 of them to join this meeting. So I'm going to click on admit all. So I'm waiting for them to join this meeting. So as you can see, this is a very good feature that helps to prevent unauthorized persons from gaining access to your meeting area. So please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Once again, I want to appreciate you for watching. Do have a pleasant day. Thank you.